Good afternoon, good evening, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking tripe, popularly known as matumbo in Kenya. So today we are going to do dry fry stripes. So already our matumbo is washed. So we are going first to boil them so that they may become tender. So let us do that. Our matumbo boiling perfect. Let us give them time until the water is over and they are tender. Our matumbo, they are drying on so well. So we go to the next step, which is adding the onions. Let's do that. So we go in with our onions. And also now our oil, cooking oil. Because it's dry fry, let's add more oil. So let's start and see. Then we go in with our tomato. Nice. We start in, let's start. So guys, our matumbo is ready. Look at that. Our dry matumbo served with avocado na kafirifiri kwa bari. So nice. So let's enjoy our matumbo, guys. Welcome to our evening meal. Bye bye for now. Until next time. Bye bye.